Hey guys, good morning! And today is July 30 and flight ko na papunta ng Taiwan again. And yeah, niligo muna ako na mag-breakfast and then punta na tayo ng airport. But actually, yung flight ko is 8:55 pa naman yung flight ko, but time check it's 5:10. So, I have 3 hours to prepare pa naman. So, yeah. And as of the moment, yung sa mga susunod na clip, makikita yung pinapak ni Mama yung mga pasalubong ko kay Mami. I mean, pasalubong nila kay Mami yung mga sa previous vlog ko pala guys, ang isa ka dito ang pasalubong is Ibos. So, I forgot the name. I remember it. I remember it this morning lang. So, yun. Okay? Naligo lang ako. Hi guys, so makaligo ko na and tapos din ako mag-breakfast. So this is my fit today, like, oh my god, it's very very comfy because, you know, then pala ako jacket na isa, like here. This jacket. And then, yeah, so very look there siya. So, and for my shoes, I am wearing my Nike. These are my favorite go-to shoes. My favorite go-to shoes, or my go-to shoes na. So, yeah, ano ako ganda. Mag-curl ako sa akin. Mag-curl ako sa akong lashes, hindi ko makeup, hindi ko mag-brow silk or anything. Mag-brow, mascara lang ko, mag-highlighter and lipstick. Actually, hindi pa sa lipstick ako ganito guys, like, ano lang, okay. So, I am very sorry if kasi masyado sa akong na part mo. Kaya lang, ipakilip ko guys, yung maraming guys. And this one. Ay, sayang na guys, mag-makeup kay mamask man ko. So, yeah. So, ito mo blush mo, no? Just, I'm gonna add some highlighter na para, okay. Pero kaya, kasi yun, no? 2 weeks and a half ago. So I am manifesting for Windows yet. From Ross to Manila, Taiwan. Dali lang. So after that, after kung ano, I'm gonna bring this. I'm gonna put this one ko. Of course, my AirPods. And most and definitely not the least, my chargers. This is very very important, you know. Yeah, that's it. So yeah, this is my bag. So let me check. Again, kasi wala may mabila ko or something. Oh my god, or ako ni Mama. Nawala niya ako guys, Ibos, galing ba naman sa akong bagay. Yung Ibos, nila ko na ako. So Ibos, ito nasa balay lang siya. So ayun, ayun yung Ibos, for akin. Ayun yung passport here, this is my passport. ID, what's my school ID? Oh my god, where's my school ID? Regular akong ID guys, so. Okay. Okay na guys. Let's go guys! Hi guys, so we're on our way to airport na. It's so yeah. Mama is there. Mama is, may hidlaw ka masa ako na?
Hindi, may pagidlawon sila. Pagastos sila.
So ayun.
Nako, doon na rin alawas. Yung ubos niya, ura-ura ya.
Ay ma, I know, hidlaw ka sa apple. Oy, katamis mo.
Huwag kagatamis, gaga ako. Matagaluha, si gaga. Pag sunod na-check in ako.
Hello. Done checking in. And later pa man ang ating flight. So we're gonna take a rest here. Hey guys, so here na pag-refer ko. And later pa, 8:51 flight. Time check, it's 7:57. And maganda to. But anyways, 8:22 pa daw maabot ang airplane dito sa Bacas. So, update, hindi ko Windows seat sa Pakata Manila, but Manila to Taipei, Windows seat ko guys. So, yeah. Bye-bye.
And this is your senior cabin.
Hello. At the moment, nasa tatabas na tayo. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but yeah. Hello, nasa Terminal 1 na tayo. I'm gonna pay the travel tax first before mag-proceed sa immigration. So, done na ako magbayad ng tax. Punta na ako ng immigration. So, I'm done. Tsaka tayo, kakalabas ko na ng immigration. So, na, hanap tayo ng makakainan. Pero guys, I'm so hungry na talaga. Hindi ako. Kaya masabay lang ko gawin. Guys, so I am here at the Transit Lounge and I'm gonna eat my lunch. Nagbaka lang ko sa Subway. This Coke of course. Wait. I'm done eating and I'm gonna wait here until 3 or 3. Pero yung flight ko pa pinakawan is 5 pa naman. So, yeah. Well, grade 16 ako. Then sa GC namin, sinantay ako makain ako. Yung sabi ni mami, paglabasin ako, baka nag-ako sa ibang gate. Binabash niya ako, guys. Hindi na alam. Naubusin kong pera ko dito kain. So, siguro bibili ako ng Starbucks din. Hindi na ako for sure. Pero, yeah. So, while waiting, I'm gonna edit my vlog now. Guys, oh my god. It was my first time again to drink Coke after some few weeks. Oh my god, ano ba si Max Verstappen ako nakita? Parang nagay. Picture niya lang. Okay, bye guys. Edit ako. Well, mainam na ko po. Pero, hindi ko na-carry in din. Wala po katunga o. Saan awan yun? And I'm wearing my glasses kaya parang hindi ko man pinala. Bye guys. I'll update you later. If makagana ko sa pangit. So I'm here now. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but yeah, ito na sa Vietnam. Okay, immigration done. I'm gonna get my luggage. Guys, po ba? Nabungol ko. Okay. Talk to you later.
Tunggu bentar. Bentar. Kamu pegang, Mas.